Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants in microwave. Start with chilled dough and cold butter, roll into thin rectangles, fold 3 times, cut triangles, and roll tightly. Arrange croissants on a microwave-safe tray with a small ramekin of water nearby to create steam. Microwave at medium power in short bursts, rotating the tray for even cooking, and finish with a brief crisp in a toaster if you like. Warm and friendly tips help you get consistent results with microwave croissants. Roll dough to about 3-5 mm thickness and cut triangles with a 3-5 inch base so shapes bake evenly. Chill shaped croissants briefly to relax the gluten and keep butter cold inside. Microwave in short bursts at medium power, checking between bursts for firmness. A final short crisp in a toaster adds color and a flaky outside. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof containers to keep your croissants and fillings fresh without spills, perfect for taking pastries to work or picnics. They stack neatly and seal tightly, making meal prep and transport a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your croissants turn out underdone, try shorter microwave bursts and a quick higher power finish for structure. For sweeter or richer variations, use a light egg wash and brown butter, or tuck in frozen chocolate or jam to prevent melting out. Rotate trays for even heat and allow a brief resting time so steam distributes inside layers. Small tweaks give you reliable, flaky results from the microwave method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.